Alright, what's good, everybody? Right now I'm in my high school auditorium, and that right there is open. What the fuck? Okay, yeah, fuck. I'm out of here. I'm gonna go downstairs. What the fuck is that noise? There's a fucking door right here. It's because this is my high school auditorium. The story is that 100 years ago, this school was built, and it's believed that there's still ghosts because there's 4 buildings in the school. The A building is haunted, and I'm in the A building auditorium. There's a stairs to part of the auditorium. There's a door right here. Wait, shit's actually empty. And there's some theater art equipment right there. Yeah, that's theater art equipment. But I'm scared, bro. The story is of one time my older brother came here from marching band because the band room is right next to the auditorium. He went to get his bottle here. He said he saw a ghost, a woman without feet. That's why I'm scared. Please tell me this is not scary. Look. Fuck, I just heard a scream. Okay, guys, see you in the next video. We'll go back to the band room.